Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And also you can share and leave a feedback. Okay, so today I will be showing you how I do my low carb drumstick. So watch this video to the end and you will see all the ingredients, and all the ingredients I will also put in the description. And if you're watching your carb, this you can have this drumstick and it's very delicious, guys. So first I will be doing, I'm gonna show you what I will be using to season my chicken. So I'm gonna use some minced onion, okay, and I will be using some paprika, and I will be using this herb on it, and this is garlic, tomato, basil. You can see the name right there. And I will be using garlic pepper seasoned grinder. See that? So I will be using this seasoning and I will show you what I will be doing going forward. Okay, so first I'm gonna be taking the chicken and wash the chicken. So let's get the bowl going. All right, so I'm gonna put the chicken in this big bowl that I have here. I'm gonna empty the chicken in it. So that's like 5 chicken legs, and with these make it 10 chicken legs. So there goes the chicken. I'm gonna wash them now with warm water. I'm ready to wash the chicken now. So I'm gonna wash with hot water, actually warm water. I'm about to wash the chicken now. So I'm running warm water in it, and I'm gonna put some vinegar on it. Okay, wash. Then I'm gonna pour the water off. Wash it again. Make sure it's washed really clean. You can washing the chicken. Wash. Make sure it's very clean. Okay. Now I'm finished washing the chicken. So what I will be doing now is seasoning the chicken. Okay. So I'm gonna mix all the seasoning in this bowl and then pour it on the chicken. So I'm just gonna use 2 tablespoons of minced onion. That's 1. That's 2. So I use 2 tablespoons minced onion. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the paprika. I'll be using 2 tablespoons. Oh, well, does look like more. Well, I just use 1.5 then. 1.5 tablespoons because the first one have too much in it. Okay, half. Then I will be using some Italian herb, okay? So I'm putting everything in one bowl. Then I will rub it up on the chicken. So I'm using some herb. And I will be using the garlic pepper. Open. Oh, this one is, I never opened it before. All right, so now I'm just gonna use some of this. So this is a garlic pepper grinder. You want to make sure you season your chicken so it have some taste to it. And this is a low carb chicken. Okay. Then I will be using some of this garlic, tomato, basil. You can use parsley, but I'm using basil. All right. A little salt and a little pepper. I'm using a sea salt, okay? But the pepper is already in it. Just a little pepper. Just a little salt in it, okay? And you mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, okay? So now I'm gonna put all this. And actually I feel like I wanna put some this season is a complete season. It's still new. I just brought this one. So I'll be using a little bit of this complete season, okay? I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of it. It's not a salty season, so you can use as much as you want. It just had flavor to it, okay? So that, and I'm gonna stir it up, mix it up. See, mix, mix. Okay, so let me go here so you can see better. All right, so what I'm gonna do is add it to the chicken. Add it to the chicken. And when I add it to the chicken, then I'm gonna show you what next. All right, then I will be rubbing it up with my hands, and then I'm gonna dump them in this bag, okay? So I had some avocado oil in the bag, and I'm just gonna dump this chicken. Actually, I'm just gonna trying to dump it in a bag, so I can let me see if I can take it out piece by piece. So I'm just gonna dump them in a bag so they can get seasoned better, and the avocado oil can marinate in it as well. So all right, so that's the chicken in a bag, and I'm just gonna close it up. And And what I'm gonna be doing now is shake it up, so the avocado oil can soak in it. See? So shake your chicken, and this is for low carb drumstick. So you shake it up, shake it up. Alrighty, so there you go. There's the chicken, well seasoned. And the avocado oil on it. Next, you get your baking sheet. And this is mine. Now I'm gonna be dumping this in the baking pan. Dump it in there. Look at that. Okay. And there you have the low carb chicken ready to put in the oven. So I'm about to put it in the oven now. There you go. Okay. There you have the low carb chicken. You can see how well seasoned it is. This is just a simple recipe, guys. And all this season that I use just now, you can find it in your cabinet, kitchen cabinet somewhere. But this is low carb for the people that is watching on the diet. Okay. Now I'm gonna set the oven at 425 and bake for 45 minutes. Okay. So now I'm gonna bake for 425 right there. Okay, so I put it at 425, and I will be setting my clock. Set your clock at 45 minutes for baking, okay? And I'm gonna start. So there you go. See you when it finish. Now I'm getting ready to take the chicken out the oven and put it right on those stuff that you see on top of the stove. Okay, now I will be putting them in this bowl that I have here. Nice. Really nice. 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 And I'm gonna put the juice on it because I like the juice. The juice is where the flavor at. See how nice that is? Very yummy chicken. Now I'm putting the juice on the chicken. So this is a juice, a nice juice. That's where all the flavor is at. All the flavor is right here. That's a nice looking chicken. Look how yummy that looks. Very yummy chicken. Okay, there you go, your low carb chicken legs. Ingredients and how to prepare a low carb drumstick.